Chadwick Aaron Boseman. The world knows him by the name of Black Panther. The American actor was born and raised in South Carolina, US. He pursued his graduation in Bachelor of Fine Arts in Direction from the Harvard University. He always had a dream and vision of being a director someday. Felicia Rashad, best known for playing Claire Huxtable on The Cosby Show, had served as one of the Boseman's teachers in the acting class he took in Harvard. With all the hopes and dreams inside him, he stepped his foot into acting to go deep into the art, to learn, to relate with the actors so that he could be a better director. He made his mark with his acting in the biographical film 42, where he played a baseball player named Jackie Robinson. He was the sole black actor to portray an Egyptian god in God of Egypt in 2016. Many people don't know, but the actor was also a writer. His first screenplay, Crosswords, was inspired by his real-life incident where his college basketball teammate was murdered. Apart from being an actor and an aspiring filmmaker and writer, Boseman loved to draw and was interested in becoming an architect. The twist in fate happened when he portrayed the Marvel superhero Black Panther, which got him the world recognition and everything he deserved. But when everything seemed perfect to the world, he was secretly fighting with colon cancer. He was diagnosed in 2016 and never shared it with anyone. Despite of being diagnosed with cancer, he never lost his charm. He was always a dedicated actor. Unfortunately, he died on 28 August 2020 in Los Angeles with his wife and family by his side. A star left us before he could even shine properly. He left behind a legacy that will be remembered by not only his family but the entire world.